These are the Lubona Windsor dining chairs. I got a set of 4 here, and you can see how beautiful the finish is on these chairs. A really nice glossy black with the nice spindles. It's a good height. The seat is very comfortable. These are very well made and hold up to 300 pounds. Just a very pretty chair. And these are a beautiful addition to the kitchen. They have a nice farmhouse look. Now, I will tell you that crumbs do collect back here on the back behind the spindle, so just make sure you wipe the chairs down after eating if you drop anything to get those out. It also has this nice felt on the bottom that really keeps it from scratching on the floor. It's nicely padded, so it's really quiet when you move the chairs. They're just really well-designed chairs, and I think they will hold up nicely. They have a great look, and they feel comfortable and great to sit in. These did come unassembled, so they had to be put together, but they were very easy to put together and had great instructions in the box.